Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Another Set of Eyes with today's Excel Bytes blog post. Today we're going to talk about dates, and no, I'm not going into matchmaking. We're going to talk about days of the calendar and how to format them in a custom fashion to get them specifically as you want them viewed. Let's just take let's just put in equals today as a function to get today's date. Widen the column, see what that looks like, and there's a typical date the way it'll format. Now if you want to change the formatting of this, you need to call up the formatting dialog box. Now you could do that one of two ways. You can right click and select it from there, or instead I use control number 1 and that pops up. And what you might want to do if you want to play with the way that dates might look so you can customize it exactly to your needs, what you might want to do is go down to Custom. And you can see here it'll show the sample of the date and the format that's used to get it to that. Just M/D/YYY is going to get the format that we have it. But you can change that however you want. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and notice what pops up in the sample is 41563. That's the serial number for today, which means it's the 41,563rd day since January 1st, 1900. You can now, using the M, D, Y, and various characters, set up the date to be exactly as you want to see it. For example, if I type 1M, notice the 10 pops up for October. 2M still keeps it the same. 3 M's, you have OCT. 4 gives the full name of the month, October. I can then put a space. I can put day, 1 day, or 2 days will give the 2 digits for the day. 3 days will put WED. 4 will give the full day of the week. And then year, 1 or 2 will give the 13 for 2013. 3 or 4 will give the full year there. Now you can mix and match these, separate them however you want it to create the day that you're looking for, the day format you're looking for. So for example, maybe I want to go with the fact I want it to be Wednesday. I'm going to put in a space, and then I want to go the full October, 2 for the day, comma, and then space and year, and I get Wednesday, October 16, 2013. I hit enter, and now that's how my date is formatted. I'm going to hit control 1 again. Maybe we want to change, instead of saying Wednesday in full, I just want WED, so I'll put 3 D's there, hit that, and it'll change it to that format. And that's how simply you can format your dates to be as specific and as customized as you want them to be. And there you have it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching my blog post. If you'd like to see more, please go to excel-bytes.com and feel free to subscribe to my blog. Happy excelling.